Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a really great day today. So pretty much I'm gonna go to Homegoods and I'm gonna take some measurements because I found this mirror and I think I want it for the master bathroom. I was not thinking to go round with the mirror in the master, but I found this mirror is absolutely gorgeous. I want to say it looks like it's about 50 inches wide and the price is right. My idea was to do the round mirror and then the sconce on either side. Definitely not something round, so definitely something really nice. So the trim around the mirror is gold, so I'm thinking the sconce can be like a mixed metal of sorts, maybe black and gold, something. But I definitely want the sconce option, and I need to do it this week because the electrician is coming back to finish up some of the electrical work, and then the drywall guy is going to come, so all the holes need to be patched because I don't want to do a lot of sanding on the new flooring. So that's where we're at. Pretty much the weather has been really funky, so you may hear some of the rain in the back and stuff like that. It's okay. What else? Oh my gosh, I started moving the flooring in the house, so that's happening. The fridge is here. Yeah, I just need to get the electrical things situated and handled. So today my goal is to figure out if this mirror is going to be able to go in my bathroom or not. So I'm going to measure all that space so that way I can start trying to get things together. But that's pretty much it. Basically what I'm doing now is doing my brows, and I'm going to be going in with stud and spike over the brow, and I start off with spike in the front and then spike is going to go towards the end, which is the darker, just kind of give me a nice tail. What I'm going to do now is go in with my concealer, and for the concealer I'm using Becca. I'll leave the products down below. I'm not like a makeup channel or anything like that, so I don't expect you guys to be watching me for makeup, so we're gonna do it really quick, fast, and in a hurry. But pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today is going to Homegoods. So I went to Homegoods the other day and I found a mirror. So after I get done with doing my makeup application, I'm gonna measure the mirror one more again, honey, one more again, to make sure that the measurements that I took previously matches, just in case something might have changed, honey. I don't think anything changed, but you know what I say. Measure twice, buy once. And in my case, I'll be measuring 3 times, 4 times, just to be sure that everything is right on the money. It kind of sucks that I'm not in the house yet, and that's the only thing that I feel like in terms of like the renovation, what I'm like makes me second guess like what I'm doing is that I'm not in the house. But I haven't started paying the mortgage yet, so I'm not like, ooh, but at some point I need to be back in my house, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know I'm here now, but I'm not like officially like living here. I don't know, like I'm happy with the renovations that I'm doing, you know, and I know they're gonna be super beneficial, and if anything, they're gonna add value to the house and not take away value. But it just sucks that I'm not like in the house, you know what I'm saying? It just sucks, but I need to get what I need to get done, and I'm just grateful that at least I have a place, you know, because I could just be, you know, sleeping down here on the floor, you know. If you guys are wondering, I just did the MAC Prep and Prime. I'm going to be going in with, you know what, I'm going to do Becca. I'm going to do my Becca, and the color is called Sienna. So for my lips, you guys, if you're interested, my lips, it's a Bobbi Brown, one of their rich color gloss, and the color is called Pink Buff 7. I've been using this for years. I really love the color. It really complements the chestnut pencil. Super beautiful and nude. Another color that can complement this that's not in the liquid form is the Viva Glam. I'm sure by now you guys know like my makeup application is super simple. Not really sure why I have all these products because I don't even use all of them, but they come in handy when they have to. And then I'm gonna go over it with the Becca, the color Sea Orchid. It's just a nice It's just a nice peachy pink color. You guys are always asking me like what's on my lip. I don't do a lot of color, but in the summertime I like to do more colors and stuff, but it's still kind of, for some particular reason, I feel like we're going into fall and it feels gloomy, and there's just something in the air that just feels like a level of uneasiness. I'm not sure if it's because I'm moving or I haven't really settled yet, but the virus plus the weather plus the fire plus the earthquakes, it just I'm like, is the Bible coming? You know what's going on? You know, I don't know how religious you guys are, but it just seems real crazy. So I'm like, that was my mascara. This is the Better Than Sex. Again, I've been using this forever. I really love it. I love the application. I love everything. First of all, let me just say that once I get settled in and the floors get changed, she will not be doing that. She will not be doing this right here, because this is a major no-no. I already got makeup on the floor, but I know these are gonna be changed out, so I ain't tripping too hard about it. So, ta-da! That is pretty much it. I don't do anything else to my face. Makeup is done. I look human. I look awake. Oh my gosh, you know what I forgot? And I really don't need to do it, but I feel like I'm gonna do it. And I'm just gonna do a little bit, because I haven't put my powder on yet. It may cover up some of the concealer, but it's okay. It may cover up some of the highlight, but I'm gonna try not to go anywhere near it. I didn't conceal under my eye is what I didn't do, so I just took that same concealer that I put under my brow and I put it under my eye, trying not to really cover up that highlight. You guys already know my makeup application is like super basic, but if you're interested in like my foundation, the concealer and stuff, I'll leave a link down below. Let me just say I'm not a makeup channel at all. I'm just doing like a get ready with me, because I want to kind of talk to you guys this week. My refrigerator is just loud for no reason. You guys, this weather is strictly for the birds, like for real. So I went to my P.O. box, I had a package. I actually picked up these Tom Ford sunglasses, and I'm super excited because look at this. The lining is so pretty, and it's chocolate, which I like. My hands are ashy, y'all. Just forgive me. I'll leave the link down below. The link that I'm going to be leaving you guys is from a young lady. Her channel is High Low Lux. I actually really like her. She's doing really good on her channel. Again, chocolate girls winning. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say her channel is more prone to like fashion and stuff. I don't think she does home things. I'm not sure. I have to catch up with her video, but I did see something, and only because I follow her on Instagram and she had these sunglasses on and she was like, new video up, and I was like, oh, I have to go see these. At the time I didn't want to buy them, but then I went back to her channel and I saw that these were on sale, so I was like, oh yes, sis. You guys have to let me know if you order sunglasses from Nordstrom Rack. I called them. My concern was when I go into the store, the glasses don't always have the case. Sorry, I gotta figure out a way to put them on. Okay, yay! You guys, these are super cute. I saw them on her and I was like, oh my gosh. But what I was saying was, Nordstrom Rack, when I go into the store, a lot of the times their sunglasses don't have the case. So I called, because they are on sale on Nordstrom Rack also, and I was like, does it come with the case and the little cloth to clean it? And she said, from what she could see online, no. And she's trying to ask around and no one really had an idea. And she said, to be honest with you, she couldn't guarantee that they were going to be shipped with the case. And y'all know me, like, I like my case, okay? I like my case. I like my case. I like my box. I want all my fixings. Certain things I don't really care if it comes with it or not. But for, you know, for the most part, like, I like my stuff to come together. But I can't even wear these sunglasses today because it's pouring down rain. But I wanted to show you guys, nevertheless, my new sunnies. They're so freaking cute. I love them. I can't wait for it to get like a little bit warmer out. That way I can wear them. Like I said, they are from Tom Ford, and I love them because they're brown. And then they're like the first of all, I love them because they're brown. Number two, they give me that Ray-Ban vibe because of this right here on the top. And then what I loved about it also is the framing on the interior has that inside. You guys, these are so freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna put them up before I break them. I haven't broken any glasses, y'all. I've come a very long way from sitting on my sunglasses, a very long way. I would highly recommend I would highly recommend that you do exactly what I did. I went to Homegoods. This is Homegoods, TJ Maxx. I went to TJ Maxx. I got my little Jessica Simpsons. I got my little, you know, whatever. Where's my lotion at? I know I have. Oh yes. I got my Jessica Simpson. I got my blah 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 and blah 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 blah. Nothing crazy. They were like $20 and $30. Still super cute sunglasses. And y'all, no lie, I sat on them, I broke them, I left them out. But that's why I did it, because I wanted to get to a point where I was taking better care of my things. So once I started to take care of my really inexpensive pieces, guess what? It was nothing to take care of my, you know, better investment sunglasses. And in terms of sunglasses, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say I have like, and let me rephrase that, because I was about to say only, and somebody else could be like, girl, that's a lot. So I have 7, which I don't think that's a lot, considering I have brown, black, that red one that you guys always ask me about, which I have found on consignment, and that didn't come with the case, which is why I know, like, I need my sunglasses to come with the case, because I'm always looking for somewhere to put it. And because they're oversized, it's really hard to find something to put it in that's hard, like a hard case. Ooh, y'all, listen, best investment ever. Put lotion in your car. Put lotion in your car. Now I need some cuticle oil, but that was it right there. That was it. I did take a shower, you know, I'm clean. You guys, my heart is broken. Here goes the mirror. It's 60 inches wide. 60 inches wide. Now, I could possibly use it for my entryway, but I think it's too big. And I think it's amazing piece. And gosh, I would love it. I even like, you see how thin the trim is? I need to find out who makes this mirror. Hold on. But I do want it. I don't know. I don't have a piece for the entryway just yet, so I don't even know. But I want it. I really want it. I don't know. Okay, these baskets are so freaking gorge. And if you know me, you probably already know what I've selected, because I did select something from here. I'm gonna let you guys see it now. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It actually is gonna look really good where I'm gonna place it. I love this. Do some pillows, some throws in here. It's gonna look really good. I'm excited for this. And then they have this one here that I thought was kind of cute too. Look at that. Like a little sissy and brother piece. I like it. Like it a lot. One thing that you're going to notice is I'm probably going to implement a few different little styles here and there. That way it doesn't get dated. But it's going to be like really pretty and put together. But this basket for me is a total, yes, it's a total score. I'm going to get some pillows and throws to put in here. It's going to look really nice. Look at these outdoor chairs. I kind of want them also. But I'm not outside yet. But I would not mind having these outside, because they're gorgeous. Let me see how much they cost. You guys, $1,400 for the set. I like it, but not for $1,400. So it's a swivel rocking chair. I do think it's worth it. It's super heavy, and it's a rocking chair. I do love it. I'm going to do a little bit of research to find out exactly how waterproof it is. And then I'm gonna keep an eye out for when it gets marked down, because it's gonna get marked down. I would do it at like 700. I don't know about no 1400. Matter of fact, let me take the name down real quick so I can research it and see if I can get it. Look at what I just found. This is so cute. I did not measure my laundry room, so I don't know if 2 would fit in there, but I like this. I really like it a lot. It's by Ray Dunn. I think it's $50, and I like it to go in the laundry room.